Hi everyone, so if you're doing outreach for local businesses or want to sell high value automations for clients like gyms, salons or clinics, then this video is for you. So I'm about to show you 4 fully automated prospecting systems that you can sell for $1,500 or bundle them into a complete $5,000 or more offer. So we have members in our community who are reselling our systems that we built, and if you want to do that as well, then make sure to join our Skool community, download the pre-built automations that we made for you there. And if you're new here to this channel, I'm Magdalena, I'm the co-founder of Replic. I'm here to help you automate the entire outreach system with strategies and approaches that actually work. If you're interested in that, make sure to follow this channel for more, and let's get started. Okay, so before starting off, I already made longer demos on each of these systems, so if you're interested in that, I put the links down below. So let's first talk about why this system works. These automations run in n8n. They target real people in cities and generate leads through the platforms that local businesses actually use. So it's Google Maps, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and TikTok. So this is the first system here. Google Maps AI agent lead source. So we search for gyms in, for example, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, and scrape business listings from Google Maps. So the system extracts the name, email, phone, and website of each gym, and then it's going to trigger a personalized outreach email or message. You can run this weekly and always have fresh leads, and this alone is worth $1,500, and it's a plug and play for any city. So in this system, I have 2 flows for you. I have this one and also this one. And all we have to do here is to basically open this chat right here, and then we're just going to enter our target. And once we entered our target, for instance, gyms in Manhattan, then this system is going to automatically scrape all of the business ideas listed, and then we're going to also find all of the business information like their websites and reviews, and we're going to use the Google API here. And once we have this information, we're going to find multiple emails based on the domain and company name. So we're using any mail finder right here to find the emails, and then we're also going to make replic videos in order for us to have an approach that's going to stand out from the crowd. So instead of a plain boring text, we're going to have a personalized video for each of the leads with their business on Google Maps in the background of our video, and this background is going to be adapted to each of our leads. And then we're going to add all of the information inside of a Google Sheet. And once we have that, we're going to retrieve the data, extract the names from the emails found in order for us to use that as a personalization inside of Smart Lead. So we're going to push all of this inside of Smart Lead to send all of the emails on autopilot. So imagine now you don't need to build a prospect list and do anything manually. All you have to do is to input your target, and the system is going to find all of the leads for you, all of the emails, even make personalized videos adapted to each of the leads on autopilot, and then push everything to Smart Lead so that you can focus on your business instead of doing the outreach hassle. Okay, so the second system here, we have Instagram outreach system. So Instagram is where most gyms build their brand, so we turn that into leads. This system scrapes people who follow local fitness influencers like NYC, FitFam, or content from gyms like Soulless New York. So once we scraped all of the followers for that gym, we're going to then send a personalized DM that sounds like, hey, saw you follow gym, want to try a free class at our studio in Soho. So this creates daily conversations with warm local prospects, and obviously all automated. So here we have the flow for you. And the first step, we're going to scrap the followers of our chosen profile using Rapid API. So here using Rapid API, we're going to scrape 30 profiles at a time to make this scraping safe, because Instagram is very sensitive for automations. And then we're going to add everything to the sheet, and we're going to double check so that all of the followers are scraped. Next, when we have all of the leads, we're going to launch a replic video process. So here we're going to retrieve all of the leads. We're going to make personalized videos adapted to each of the leads using their Instagram in the background of our video. And with that, we're going to catch their attention and make them more curious. And once this step is done, we're going to use Unipile to auto send everything. So now you know that these people, they're already interested in this topic because they are following another gym. So you're reaching out with relevance, and you're also reaching out with a personalized approach with a video where you have their Instagram profile in the background of your video. And then you will have everything automatically sent by Unipile. Okay, so next up we have Facebook Messenger, and it's super underrated for local reach still. So this system scrapes active members or commenters of fitness-related Facebook groups in the city you want to target and automatically DM them through Messenger. So these aren't cold, they're already engaging in the local fitness scene because they are part of these Facebook groups. So it feels human, it gets replies, and it takes no manual time. So here we have the flow, and here basically you're going to just enter the Facebook group URL to scrape all of the members in there. We're using Appify for this, and then we're going to generate a personalization using AI and add everything to a Google Sheet. And in the next step, we're going to use something called UI Vision. This is a desktop automation, and what this does is that it's going to mimic human behavior. It's going to take over your desktop and then send all of the messages one by one for you. And why we use this is because Facebook is really sensitive to bots and automations, and by using UI Vision we're going to keep your account safe. So I made a longer video on this showing you how this looks live. If you want to check it out, I have the link down below. So last but not least, we have TikTok cold outreach system. So here we're going to use this automation to scrape creators posting fitness content using hashtags like Brooklyn Workout or Soho Gym. So we enrich their profiles for contact info and then auto send a collab pitch like love your content, want to come try our gym for free, and then post a reel. So you get user generated content and exposure without hiring influencers or running ads. So here we have the flow for you. All you have to do here is basically to enter the keywords for the influencers you want to find. We're going to get their TikTok information using Appify, and then we're going to use AI to craft a personalized email, add everything inside of a Google Sheet, and then push everything to Smart Lead for the auto sending. So that's how easy it is for you to find people who are posting things within your niche, and you can reach out with relevance and also finding influencers without running ads. Okay, so these four systems generate local leads across Google Maps, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and run completely in the background for you. And you can sell them individually or bundle them into a full local outreach system for gym clients in any city. And this is just an example. Of course, you can use it for restaurants, clinics, salons, or any local business. So we already have members inside of our community who are reselling our pre-built systems for their own clients. So if you want to get your hands on all of our systems that we built, make sure to join our Skool community, where I upload flows and AI agents like this for you to use in your own business or to resell them. So we started this community for salespeople, entrepreneurs, or business owners who doesn't know how to use tech or automations to scale their business. So if this is you, make sure to join now because prices increase each 10 members. I really hope you find value in this video. If you do, please comment and like this video down below. I look forward to talking to you again in the next video. Have a good week. Bye.